Good morning. My name is Aravind Oragante. I am here doing a peer graded assignment in Coursera of week 1, and the assignment is about build a circuit that contains two push buttons, an LED, and any other basic components you think you need. The LED should turn on when either the first button or second button is pressed. Only use your Arduino for power and ground. Here we have three conditions. One is no button is pressed, button 1 pressed alone, button 2 pressed alone. Here I don't have any hardware kit, so I am using a web based simulator. The web based simulator here is Tinkercad. So here we required one Arduino, one breadboard, two push buttons, three resistors each of 10 kilo ohms, and one LED. And in order to turn on the LED by pressing any one of the switch, we need to connect these two buttons in parallel. In parallel, if any one of the button is goes high, then the output is definitely goes high. So here we connect this 5 volt here, and this ground is here. This is a common ground and this is a common 5 volts. So here we connect the first push button first terminal to power line, and the second push button first terminal also goes to power line. So this should be connected in common. The first push button second terminal is connected to resistor, and the resistor another terminal is connected to ground. Here also the second terminal of second push button is connected to resistor, and the resistor another terminal is connected to ground. So these two are common. So now we said that these two are is connected in parallel. And we have LED. Here we are using one resistor. This is used to limit the current. And LED one terminal is connected to ground, and another terminal is connected to resistor, and resistor another terminal is connected to 2. This gives the output to the LED, and this terminal is connected to pin number 3, and this terminal is connected to pin number 4. These two pins, these 4 and 3 pins, read the output from these two push buttons. And this code of our program. Here we set this pin mode, this second pin as a output mode, and this fourth and third pin as a input mode. So here we read the, by writing digitally we read the this output of these two push buttons. The first push button output, the pin is given to 4, so the output is stored in button 1 and second one is stored in button 2. Here we write the if loop. So in if loop we write the condition. Here we put the or statement. Why? Because this or statement gives, if any one of these condition is true, then the statement is executed. So here that's why we use or statement. Here if button 1 is high or button 2 is high, then the digital weight 2 is high. The digital weight 2 is connected to the LED. This is a LED. LED digital weight will be set to high. Else if no push button is high, the push buttons are in low state, then the LED goes to low state, and this is a delay of 1000. So here we start the simulation. So we start this starting simulation. This Arduino should be on set. If we have here three conditions, what are the conditions? First one is no button is pressed. So when no button is pressed, the LED should in off state. If the button 1 is pressed alone, that is the second statement. So if this is the button 1, if we press the button 1 pressed alone, then the LED should on. And the third statement is if the button 2 is pressed alone, so here this is the button 2 and we press it alone, then the LED should goes high state. So here we executed three conditions. So if any one of the button is pressed, the LED should goes high, otherwise the LED should go low. So this is a program that we wrote for this Arduino. Thank you.